Hi guys, I recently decided I'm gonna start working remotely with 3D work. So I purchased this MacBook Pro with the M4 Max chip, and I wanna see how well it performs in Blender in comparison to my stationary computer with the RTX 3090 card. We're gonna check both the viewport and the render times today. So before we get going with the benchmark, I wanna give you the most essential specifications of the computers. So the MacBook Pro has an M4 Max chip with 40 graphic cores and 64 GB of RAM, while the stationary computer has an AMD Ryzen 5950X processor and also 64 GB of RAM. All the detailed specifications of these two computers will be written in the description below. So let's start with the render times. What I'm gonna do is to download some of the demo files from Blender's website, and then I'm gonna click persistent data and render twice on each computer. In that case, we can see how well the computer performs without cache data and with cache data. And I also have to say that this is not a paid collaboration. Like and subscribe. We're starting off with a link scene. On the first round before caching, the Mac is faster, and on the second round after caching, the PC is faster. The second scene is the LTS Gold. Before caching, the Mac is way faster, and after caching, it's still a little bit faster, so Mac is a clear winner for this scene. The third scene is Dog Walk. Before caching, Mac is much faster, and after caching, the PC is faster. The fourth scene is the Whitelands, where PC is faster before and after caching. The fifth scene is the Cozy Kitchen, where the Mac is faster on both rounds. The final scene, House of Chores. There we have the Mac as a clear winner before and after cache. So looking at the overview, the PC won one scene. They have 2 shared wins and 3 wins to Mac. So all in all, I would say that Mac is winning the render benchmark. However, I haven't measured sustained loads like longer image sequences, so keep that in mind. So now let's compare the viewports, both in solid view, in rendered view, and in playback. I started by playing animations in solid view, and you can definitely see that the Mac is faster here. And then I went on to doing playback in rendered view. And you can also see here that the lizard on the left side on the PC is falling behind the Mac. I tried to move around in Eevee, but everything was in real time, so I couldn't really see any difference between PC and Mac. And then I went on to trying cycles, and here it's a little bit hard to see on the video, but also here I would definitely say that the Mac loads faster and the denoising is faster. And here is another scene in cycles, and you see that the noise in the image is disappearing quicker on the MacBook Pro. So all in all, I would say that the MacBook Pro wins in all categories. It's faster in the renders, it's faster in the viewport, and it's faster in the playback. That concludes the video, and if you would like me to do another benchmark of these two computers, feel free to write in the comments what you would like to see, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.